Hello again. Welcome back to the channel, The Big O Experience. Um, like I said, I'm new to vlogging, but I think I'm gonna have fun doing this. Um, anyway, I just wanted to shoot a quick video as to just give you a little bit of insight as to who I am as an individual and what I'm about these days. I'm 40 years old, Black American male, West Indian background. My parents hail from Trinidad and Jamaica. Born in New York, raised most of my life in Georgia, in the country. And as of lately, my wife and I have moved to sunny Florida, specifically in the Fort Myers area, about 3 years now. So yeah, so just some things. My wife and I are both home health aides by profession. We care specifically for the elderly. We offer assistance with any daily needs, activities that they might require some assistance in. It's a job that requires a lot of patience. It's not for everyone, but we both enjoy it, and that shocks me because I've done lots of other jobs. I've worked for the airlines. I've done security. I've worked as a law enforcement officer, and needless to say, I did not find much fulfillment in any of those jobs. Um, but doing this work, I come home at the end of the day feeling like I actually made a difference in somebody's lives, and my wife feels the same way. By the way, my wife, she's a Filipina. Um, we've been married, oh boy, 6 years as of February 13th, 6 years. So, and she's been here in the U.S. for 5 of those years. She recently got her U.S. citizenship, and we sponsored her father to be here, and you know, and that's that. As of late, as of August of last year, my wife had the genius idea to start an assisted living facility out of our home. We don't. We currently have no children. I have no children of my own. She has no children of her own, and we don't have any children together. It's a work in progress, of course. But for now, we had 2 spare rooms, and we did some research, a lot of research, attended seminars, and you name it. And August of last year, we opened up for business, and we accepted our first resident, 102 years old, sweet, sweet woman. Um, and October, we accepted our second resident. Now, by law, the state of Florida would only allow us to have 2 residents while we are applying for our license, and at which point we can have more people. So for now, we have 2 lovely ladies that we care for out of our home, um, as well as working the night shift at a senior community um, um, in the city. Uh, but yeah, so we stay busy. We stay very busy, um, but we enjoy what we're doing. The main reason why we started this business is because we have a strong desire to retire at an early age. And in an effort to do so, we've been looking into various ways to secure a stable, renewable income source for our move to the Philippines. And we believe that, you know, running a facility out of our home is that answer. So, because at some point in time, we might have 1 or 2 more homes, and and an administrator of sorts to see to the day-to-day activities. So, but anyway, I'll talk about that in detail in future videos. Um, but for now, that's where we're at. So, let me see. Is there anything else? there's a lot more. I plan to. I mentioned this in the intro video, but I plan to talk about my journey or our journey to retiring at an early age, and we plan to retire in the Philippines, and yeah, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. We have some guys back there. I'll show you what they're doing. One of the things, and I'll explain in more detail in future videos, that our business does. We don't just cater to the elderly people, but we also have some local kids that come by and train in our little gym here. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hey, what's up?
YouTube.
Hey.
Yeah, so they just come here and use the little gym, working out. And that's like another thing that I'll be discussing is nutrition and fitness, especially for diabetics, because I'm a type 2 diabetic. If you hear all the noise in the background, that's what's going on. Those kids are boxing and whatnot. So these are just some local kids from the community that passed by and saw my gym and asked if they could train there. So I was like, sure. Anyway, like I said, I'm new to this. I'm going to be as real as possible. I'm not going to be doing a lot of editing and whatnot because honestly I don't have the time, but I do want to keep a record of the journey, and hopefully we can serve as an inspiration to anyone else that might be considering trying to retire at an early age. And we're not asking for a lot. I mean, if it happens, it happens. But as you know, it doesn't cost a lot to live in the Philippines for a foreigner. And I'm just, simply put, I'm just tired of the way things are done. To the poor, the middle class, and the whole 1% thing. Like I said, that's another topic. So anyway, so that's it for now. Like I said, just a quick thing, just making some content. Please subscribe, hit that like button or dislike button. We would appreciate it. And see you next time. Until then, live life with love, peace, and happiness. Peace.